So today we will learn how to install Oracle VirtualBox. So click on your favorite browser, Google Chrome. Search over here, download VirtualBox. Click on this link, virtualbox.org. Now over here, if you don't come on this link and you don't see this option, click on downloads. And then you have Windows host. This is for Macos, this is for Linux. So since we are using Windows operating system, I will click over here. As you can see, it is downloading. Once it's done, I will open the application. Yes, close my browser now. Click next. Select your favorite path to the application. Next. It's installing now. Just wait for a few minutes. So the Oracle VirtualBox is installed now. So let's open up the application. So if you want to install a new operating system on the Oracle VirtualBox, you have to click on New. Over here you can see a lot of options. So enter the name of the operating system you want to install, Ubuntu. Now it already knows the type is Linux. It has 64 bits, 32 bits. Let's try CentOS. Let's try Red Hat. Click next. Over here you can change the memory. My favorite one is 1048. Click next. Select VDI. Next. Over here you could change the file location and select the file location and the size. I always do 10 GB, but it's up to you. Click on create. But in order to create a virtual machine, you need to download the iOS image from online. You could go on google.com. Depending on the operating system you want to install virtually, you have to download the iOS image from Google. Let's say you want to install CentOS 7, you have to go on Google and download the iOS image. If you want to install Ubuntu, you have to get the Ubuntu iOS image. If you want to install Windows host, you have to get the Windows host iOS image, and you have to get the image for other operating system that you are trying to install. You always have to get the iOS image from online. Let's say, for example, you want to install CentOS, so you have to download CentOS. Download CentOS iOS image. So it will take you to click on the first link. It will give you options to download the iOS image. Without the iOS image, you cannot install the operating system virtually. So you always have to get the iOS image. Without the iOS image, it will not work. So you have to get the iOS image. Let's try powering this machine on. You have to install. So over here you click on the folder. If you already have a iOS image download, you click over here and then you go to the location that you save the iOS image. So this is how the virtual machine works. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.